Life is like a race. Every day our morning leads to a hectic and busy day. In the run of life, what we miss out is the appropriate nutritional needs of our body. Every one of us wants to stay healthy, active and stress-free, and the need of the hour is to give additional nutrient to body to keep us at front of the race without losing our productivity. Nature is the answer to all our queries. Mother Nature has kept secrets of healthy ingredients which can fulfill our day-to-day needs to keep us healthy and fit. Noni has been used for more than 2000 years and its benefits find mention in traditional Ayurveda. Vestige Noni is a superb source of antioxidants, zeronin and potassium. Noni contains zeronin, which enables enlargement of grooves in the walls of the human cells and helps nutrient to enter them and thereby increases the absorption of nutrients. It aids digestion, helping your body to absorb nutrients from your meal much more efficiently. Noni also boosts the metabolic system, increasing your energy levels, making your skin and hair beautiful. It supports your immune system. It improves cell regeneration, strengthening it to fight off infection diseases like arthritis and many other diseases. Our agenda, your well-being.